Making thousands of friends is not an achievement. The achievement is to make a friend who stands with you when thousands are against you. Life is not about the quantity of friends you have, it is about the quality of friends you have. The most valuable gift you can receive is an honest friend. The faker you are, the bigger your friend's circle will be. The realer you are, the smaller your friend's circle will be. Life feels so beautiful when you are with your best friends. In life, we never lose friends. We only learn who the true ones are. You don't lose friends, you lose undercover haters. Real friends can never be lost. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. To make 50 friends in 1 year is not a big achievement, but to keep your friendship for 50 years with one friend, that is the great achievement. Truly great friends are hard to find, difficult to leave, and impossible to forget. Things are never quite as scary when you have got a best friend. Never leave your close ones. If you find few faults in them, just close your eyes and remember the best time you spent together, because affection is more important than perfection. True friends are those rare people who come to find you in dark places and lead you back to the light.